Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you a review of SWELL Network Airdrop. The SWELL Network Airdrop is a great chance for early adopters interested in Ethereum staking and DeFi. With a simple requirements and strong community focus, SWELL has effectively promoted its staking protocol and rewarded users. The project's openness and growth potential in staking make it more appealing. However, like many airdrop, token price can drop quickly as early holders tend to sell right away. As a new owner project, SWELL might struggle with liquidity and could face regulatory challenges in the DeFi space, adding some risk. The airdrop offers early access to promising platform, though users should watch for marketing swings and possible regulatory issues. SWELL Network is worth considering for those interested in Ethereum staking and earning rewards, but users should be mindful of market risk. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.